Agents are everywhere. But where do you begin? Explore our 50+ pre-built agents for audit and finance, ready to use with zero setup. You can use them as they are, or you can also customize for your workflow. So today, let's play around and find the right one to perform the debt payment procedure. To manage your agents, head to app.datasnipper.com. This is the agent management portal, where you can browse pre-built agents, build your own from scratch, and control exactly what's available to your team. Inside the pre-built agent library, you can filter tags or search for a specific procedure. For this example, we are running a debt-related procedure, so let's see if we have an agent that we could use for this procedure. The debt payment recalculation agent appears. This agent is purpose-built to verify that debt repayment calculations match. Click Enable. Once enabled, you will see a confirmation. This agent will pop up in your agents for your personalized use. The agent is now live and available to use. The agent page shows you its objective, goals, and behavior instructions, the full logic behind how it operates. From here, you can also duplicate it to create a customized version or disable at any time. If you have a content manager role, you can also publish it to your entire organization, making it instantly available to every team member. Let me show you how does it work in Excel. I've already set up my work paper and imported the relevant supporting documents. Click Excel Agent, and here will show all the agents from the list. In this demo, one agent is enabled, but if your team has activated multiple agents, they will all appear here ready to select. With the debt payment recalculation agent selected, I'll say to execute the agent within the prompt. The agent will now work through the procedure step by step, reading all the source documents, performing the recalculation, and preparing the results. Before it makes any changes to your workbook, it will pause and ask for your confirmation. When the procedure is complete, the agent delivers a summary of work performed, outlining what was tested, the conclusions reached, and any exceptions identified. Cross-referencing works in both directions. You can navigate from agent's summary to the underlying snips, or from any snip back to its source document. Every result is fully traceable and audit ready. If you want to refine the output, add a scope adjustment, flag in exceptions, or provide further instructions, you can do that directly from the chat panel without leaving Excel. When you're satisfied, the work paper is ready to share with your reviewer. Everything is documented, cross-referenced, and supported by a clear evidence trail. That's debt payment recalculation testing with DataSnipper Excel Agents. From setup to a reviewer-ready work paper in minutes. Try them now.